everyone, this is Joanne. How are you today? I'm coming to you with a Bramble Fox layout, and I am going to show you some of the new stuff. Look at the super cool stencil. Isn't that neat? Awesome pattern. This is for the upcoming September Fox box. So all you do is go to the website, and then if you want to subscribe, you'll get a Fox box shipped to you every month automatically. It's so awesome. And it has, today was rated excellent, cameras, snap, mom, love. How cute is that? And then look what you get. Oh my gosh, sunflowers, be happy, memory keeping, a little bees, and some stuff from the shop. There's day trip and lemonade glass, a little hat, and this little sun hat. I love that. That's so cute. It would have gone perfect on my last layout that I did when I was wearing my hat. So I just wanted to show you some of those. I'm also going to use paper snips 39, just a few pieces. These are awesome paper snips, and you just fussy cut them. They're beautiful. There's so many to choose from. And I believe I'm going to come in with this stencil. It's one of my favorites. I'm put down like this. It's sun rays, and I love it. I use it all the time. So let's get going here. I'm going to make a very simple layout. I used 2 border punches. One with like a mandala, and then just these little strips, and I'm just gonna put it right here, you guys, right here. And look at these awesome photos of my great niece at a pool. She's so cute. These two look very similar. They were taken like a couple seconds apart, but I wanted to use both of them. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick this down. Let me get my ATG, and I'm just gonna put like 3 strips of this tape on there, and I'm going to border it right over to the left almost the whole way. And let's just make sure that this is straight. It looks pretty good. Go ahead and smooth that down. Okay, and then I started making tag embellishments. They're so pretty. I'm using the Hip Kit Club subscription. I think this was August 2022. Very summery. I love it. So what my idea was is I just took 4, a little bit smaller than 4x3s, backed it with 2 pattern papers, and then put a big piece of pattern paper behind it so they would all be together. And I'm gonna just go ahead and use all these tags and embellishments to cover up this blue paper just ending right there. So I will put this right here like that, and see how it covers up the blue there. I'm going to put tags all the way down, and then slide this photo collage, I guess, into the tags. So I like that a lot. All right, here's our second tag. I did a little work ahead of time, and we're going to put that one there. And then look how pretty this one is. Maybe put this, I'll put these at varying heights this way. I think I'm going to slide this one underneath all of this. And I just don't want any of that blue showing, so we're going to fill it in with a bunch of embellishments. Okay, and then here is a circle tag. I thought I'd put this down here like that. Really pretty. Make this one go out there more, and lift this up and get that in. And then here and all in here, I'll fill it in with all these little pieces that I picked out. And I have some paper snips leaves that I'm going to use. I love that. And then we're just going to go ahead and tuck this right in here like that and fill that all in. It's going to look super cool. And then I think what I'll do is use that stencil and have some sun rays in a nice yellow. I have Distress Oxide and Squeezed Lemonade. Super, super beautiful yellow for summertime. All right, guys, I have my tags in there. I think that looks really cute. I like that. Try that sometime using tags. Going to come in with my Distress Oxide, and I did adhere these photos down a little bit just so I would know exactly where I wanted my stencil to be. So I'm just going to take some of this ink and then I'm going to stencil this, okay? And I'm just going to lift up and then stencil from there. Doesn't that look awesome? Just like a sun. I'm just going to put it in the one top corner, I believe, to make it look like it's the sun. But you never know with me. I could come in and want to put more things down. I'm going to put a little tab over here. It says, I adore this, and I adore every single thing this little girl does. She is so cute. Maybe down just a little bit more. Oh my goodness. Okay. Clean up my glue there. All right, there's that. And then there's a little piece poking in there where you can see the blue paper from here. So I'm thinking, let's get a paper snip leaf in here. That'll be pretty. Just cover that up a little bit. And you know what? Let me get my tweezers because they would probably be very helpful. Let's just get this right in there. And that's glued down pretty good. Let's see. All right, and then let's take a different colored leaf and tuck that in there. I like to mix up my leaves, the colors and the styles, because I just think it looks really good when you do that. So I'll put a little bit of glue under there just to keep those where I want them. Just a little dollop. Okay, and then I do have this really cute heart that says hello. I really want to get that in there. And then, let's see. I'm thinking, let's do another cluster. So, I'm liking the yellows. Let's turn that. And then we'll get some leaves going in on this way too. And get a different colored flower in there somewhere. So I'm not sure where. Maybe under here. Just want to mix it up. Perhaps here. No, I don't like that. Well, maybe we won't use that one. I just picked out a bunch of flowers and stuff that I thought I would really like. I like that. And then I'm thinking I want to get some more of this blue in here, perhaps, with this flower. Let's finish embellishing this. And again, here's this heart. It says hello. I really need to get that in there somewhere because it's adorable. And I think right there would be sufficient. We will just put a little dollop of glue on there, get some placement, and give that a chance to dry. All right, I have other little leaves and flowers too. Let's see, I want to sneak this in under here, I think. Bring in just a little bit more of this orange color. Definitely do that. And this is a yellow fussy cut flower, again from Paper Snips number 39. I love this. I can't wait to fussy cut that whole sheet. Perfect for summertime. I really want to use this yellow flower because I think it matches perfectly with the sun. So let's think about where I'm going to put that. And now, we got to get some more leaves in here, you guys. I love using leaves on my scrapbook layouts. I just think they look so good. Yeah, let's stick one right in there. Put some glue underneath. Just stick it out a little bit. And I don't want it to show through the whole of that tag because I just think it would look funny. I want to show you this paper is very high quality. It's not thin and it's not so thick that it's not easy to fussy cut. So easy. And the designs on all of them are made to be able to fussy cut nice and quick, but then they still have a lot of detail and they're absolutely gorgeous. So yep, easy, just like that. Let's see, put that there, and again, I like the paper snip better, of course. So I'm going to put that right there. I'm going to wait to glue that down. The title I'm going to use is this Bramble Fox perspective. It says Lovin' Summer. It's pink. It's so pretty. So because I have 1, 2, 3 layers of nice cardstock and pattern paper there, I'm going to, oops, almost had a catastrophe there. Way too much came out of my glossy accent, so I quickly moved it away from my layout. I'm going to go in with my tweezers and get that out of there because I don't want it to show. Okay, crisis averted. I must have squeezed way too hard. All right, so you just put little dollops of glossy accents. You don't need to put a ton. This stuff works really well. And just like that. And I have a little adhesive strip, like a foam strip. I'm going to put that right over the photo like this. I sure am. And it's got a nice little swish mark underneath it. So cute. I'm not loving this. I need to do something about that. Maybe. Yeah, I gotta redo that. I'm not in love with that. I love the paper snip ones, but maybe not so much that. So there's that. And then look at this. I'm so in love with this little lemonade cup with a straw and a little lemon on the side. How adorable. And these are, they have protective coating on them. So all you have to do is take a fingernail or a tool and just get it off like that. Super simple. And these are a little see-through. I love that. We're going to put that right, I think, let me see. Should we put it there? Or should we put it up here? No, I think right here is better. I really, more egg. I need like 12 more of these little lemonade cups. It reminds me of the cup that I have. I drink out of all the time. I carry it around everywhere, and I drink the Crystal Light out of it, and I love it. Let's finish and put the final touches. I went ahead and fussy cut some of the paper snips. Oh my goodness. Absolutely beautiful. These would be perfect if you went on like a tropical beach vacation or something like that too. So pretty. Just trying to think about which way I would want this flower to be. And I'm thinking that maybe it needs a foam square. Big surprise, right? Let me get my foam squares. Here they are. Just grab one of these and put it right in the middle. And I don't want to adhere it down just yet. Yes, it definitely needed a foam square because I'm going to tuck in these other ones. So I'll just curl up the edges like this. Put a dollop of glue right in the middle. Hold that and then just kind of tuck that in a little bit. Same thing for over here. Just pinch the edges up so give it some dimension. And then we'll tuck this little guy right in here, like there. Then I can take this off and adhere that down. And get that where I want it. Okay, and then we have some space here, some more fussy cut leaves. Yeah, let's put this one on this side because those are the same color, and then break it up with this one. Yep, adorable. Put some glue in there, and I put glue just at the end so I can get the dimension like that. And there we go. Oops, oops, I did it twice in a row. Just like that. Perfect. Okay, and then here we have titles, which I'm using a Bramble Fox title, but there are puffy flowers. Okay, and I'm thinking this yellow one, because then all this has yellow, and then I can bring in some yellow over here. Let me get my tweezers, slide that in there. Oops, let me move my hand. Yes, that's perfect. Adding some yellow over there. That is exactly what we needed. do we have any more yellow things on this side? I think we do. Oh, those little hearts, they're just so cute. And then I'm thinking, let's try to tuck in some yellow in here. No, over here was better. All right, just to get some yellow on that side of the page too. And I think we're good. Now, I do think that I'm going to come in with some Pinkfresh Studio gems because there's these awesome ones that are super brilliant yellow, just like the color of the sun. So I think I'll scatter some of those around. And look how perfect they match with the lemonade cup. Great. I'll scatter those around and I'll be right back. And with that finishing touch of the gems, I put them here, 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 and here. I do love those gems. I use them all the time. I just think they, look at the bling that they add, which is nice, like the sun on the water. So we're gonna call this complete. Let me get up close for you to see. Nice embellishments in the tags. And then I want you to see the awesome paper snips. Aren't those pretty? I love those. These two. That's a cute little cluster. My cute, cute photos. Okay, you guys, I'll put close-ups at the end, and I will link Bramble Fox, the Fox Box, and all that good stuff, the Facebook group. Come on over and join us in the description box below. I hope you have a nice day. Please be sure to like and subscribe to both the Bramble Fox channel and my YouTube channel as well. Thank you for coming to see me. Bye.